Alright everyone, in today's episode we are gonna show you how to make a delicious pasta with Mediterranean vegetables, feta cheese and almonds. We start with 4 big tomatoes. We cut them into very fine pieces and give them on a plate. Because garlic always fits pretty well to tomatoes, we peel a clove of garlic and also cut it into very fine pieces. Now we take a branch of rosemary and remove the wooden parts as always. We cut the rosemary and give them to our tomatoes and our garlic. We go on with olives in different colors. We take half a dozen and also cut them into small pieces. If you don't like olives, of course, you don't have to use them. Now we need our vegetables. We begin with half a zucchini that we cut into cubes. Give the cubes on a second plate. The same we do with half an eggplant. Cut it in cubes the same size as the ones coming from the zucchini. Now we take a red onion, peel it and cut it into small pieces. The onion pieces we add to the zucchini and the eggplant cubes. We also take the time to cut the feta cheese. Cut it in a similar size as the vegetable cubes. After that, we have to roast the almonds. Roast them very carefully for around 2 minutes with a piece of butter. Put them aside, we will use them later. We go on with a pan and a good amount of oil. Heat the pan and add the eggplant, the zucchini and the onions to it. When the pan is hot, fry it now for 2 or 3 minutes until everything gets a slightly brown color. Now give the tomato and the other things on the first plate to the pan. Stir it and cook it for another 1 or 2 minutes. After giving a pinch of salt and pepper to it, our sauce is already complete. Now we have to boil our pasta. Bring a pot with salt water to the boiling point and add your preferred pasta. We choose pappardelle. The boiling time of the pasta depends on the pasta that you use. While the pasta is cooking, we cut our almonds. Don't cut the almonds too fine. After your pasta is done, you can complete everything on a plate. First the pasta, then the vegetable sauce. Now sprinkle the feta and the almonds over it. If you want, you can also add some basil on the top of it, as we did. Your delicious pasta dish is now ready. We hope you have fun reproducing it. Please like, share and subscribe our content. We really appreciate your support. Have a nice day. Over and out.